Alright, so this is my 2008 Nissan Titan 5.6 LE apparently. Comes with this tonneau cover here. It's obviously been repaired, it's not in the best shape. It also has this little tie down system, so it has these rails in the side with these clamps. They also have them in the bed on the other side. Pretty handy feature. It does come with that awesome Evolution Wake Park sticker. So it's a 7-foot box and it's got a full back seat, so it's a pretty huge truck. So here's the back seat. Tons of space for kids or tools or whatever junk you keep in there. So it has leather seats, obviously, pretty sweet. Sunroof that works. It's got this cool power window in the back. It's got 4x4, which works. AC, I'm pretty sure works. So it does have 313,000 kilometers on it, but it has a newer engine. I'm not sure exactly how many miles are on the engine, but it seems to be running really good. Let's start it up. No problems, no funny noises, no ticking or anything. As hopefully you might be able to hear. I don't know, I'll open it up later. Oh, it has a DVD player. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's take it for a little drive. We'll just get on the highway here and take a look at how things go. So as you can see, it accelerates pretty good. Nothing really seems to be wrong with the engine, transmission. No shaky wheel. I'm doing about 100 on the highway right now. Alright, I think that's pretty well all we need to know. Thanks.